Hi, I'm Arnel. I'm 42 years old. I have 16 years of experience working within the culinary industry. I'm presently working as a sous chef at Via Romana restaurant. We serve Filipino, Spanish, and international cuisine. I have a good background in Western and European dishes. In 1997, I was given a chance to work in Dubai for an American restaurant, and I stayed there for 5.5 years. Today I will make shrimp pesto with angel hair pasta, combines with the pesto sauce with cream, garnished with tomato and pine nuts with Parmesan cheese.
That I got what I really need, and I know it's true.
The other dishes that I will make is the porterhouse with ponyouk and herb butter. I will grill the shrimp and make some onion rings and ponyouk potato with natural gravy.
Through this window, everything seems new.
The last dishes that I will make is the panko crusted fillet of dory.
It's just my view. Spent so much time looking for what I thought was right for me, but it's only when I gave up that I got what I really need. And I know
Once again, I'm Arnel for your time.
it's true.